Hi, I'm Scott Zins with Hearth & Home Technologies Training Department. I'd like to show you today how to relight your standing pilot fireplace. The first step in that is to locate your components which are underneath the fireplace. On this particular unit, we need to remove the decorative front and then we can access those components. Now that we've removed the decorative front, we're going to want to identify that we have a standing pilot system. To do that, we're going to look for two things. The first one is the control knob that has on, off, and pilot. And the second is the igniter. It's a push button igniter located there. So now that we've got underneath the unit, identified that this is a standing pilot fireplace, we're going to want to relight that. The first step in that, which is very important for safety reasons, is to remove the fixed glass assembly. After the glass assembly is removed, you're going to want to test your igniter to make sure that it's producing a spark. So press it several times and just check that. So now that you've tested the igniter, we're sure that that works. You want to locate the control knob underneath here. Notice you'll see a hash mark, and this indicates what the knob is set to. You'll see that the hash mark is located on the off part of the knob. We want to relight the pilot, so to do that, you press in and rotate it over to the hash mark and then hit the igniter several times. The pilot light will turn on. Keep holding the knob down for about 30 seconds and then you can release that. If the pilot does not light, wait 5 minutes and retry. Alright, so your pilot should be lit. You'll notice here that the hash mark and the pilot match up. The last step is to press the knob in and rotate it over so that the hash mark and the on position match up. So now that we have the pilot light back on, the fireplace is ready to use, but before we do that, we want to make sure that you put back the glass assembly and the decorative front. So we've got the glass assembly back on, the pilot light's working. The last step to enjoy your fireplace is to turn it on. Sometimes that's with the remote. On this particular unit, it's with a wall switch. So you just hit that and you can enjoy your fireplace. So if your fireplace still isn't working or your standing pilot light won't stay on, or if you have questions, go to heatandglow.com to find a local dealer.